Hello, guys. Chef Carlton here,
And Chef Christopher.
and together we are
Cooking with the two bald black guys.
Hey, guys, we are about to experience an incredible experience tonight. We have been invited to the chef's table, and all of a sudden, everyone is coming through the dining room.
So does that mean that you're getting ready to clutch your pearls?
I'm going to clutch my pearls.
All right. So listen, we are getting ready to have this wonderful experience at the chef's table.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Been invited by the chef, and we're going to be treated to a tour of the galley and see how they run a huge culinary project here on a ship like this.
So the dinner is what, a 5-course meal?
The dinner is a 5-course meal with wine pairing.
Yes.
And presented by the chef. And like I said, they're also going to give us a tour of the galley.
That's going to be impressive.
I am so excited
Yes.
about this. And the menu, oh my God, we've read the menu ahead of time. And
So we're going to learn how they feed these thousands of people
in
who
a
are
kitchen
on this
on a boat.
ship. Yeah.
Right. So stay tuned, guys. It's going to be incredible. We're going to document all this for you and bring it back to you. But we're
So we
excited.
got all dolled up and pretty for y'all
Yeah,
tonight.
look.
Yes. Yeah.
So you guys stick around. We're going to show you some incredible things and let the chefs talk to you as well. All right. So
All right.
until later.
Bon appetit, y'all.
Bye.
Hi, this is Chef Christopher. Chef Carlton and I of Occasional Occasions by Carlton Catering recently took a cruise to get some creative influences on plating, design, and texture, and color, and flavor profile that we will hopefully be able to translate and offer to our clients. As we embark on our Chef's Table experience on Celebrity Cruise Equinox, Chef Miguel gives us a grand tour of one of the ship's main kitchens. This particular kitchen serves a few of the specialty restaurants on board, and I tell you, this kitchen is massive. It has a single wall where the salads are plated and stored at proper temperature for service to 3 of the specialty restaurants in which we plan on dining. After the tour of one of the ship's kitchens by Chef Miguel, he showed us where all the drama happens, where all the food is prepped, and we get to see the results as he escorts us to this restaurant and to this private dining hall where we are all seated at this beautifully appointed table. And then we're greeted by Chef Michael and the sommelier, who explains this chef's table experience and how things are going to be served. And we're also served by 4 other chefs. So this is a menu that is inspired by renowned chef Daniel Boulud. And Chef Michael talks about each of the course, and the first course being a curried cauliflower soup with a saffron and apples. The second course, a mushroom risotto, followed by the third course, which is the sea bass. And the fourth course, a duo of beef fillet and short rib, followed by the dessert course. The fifth course, a java, which is a chocolate cake with a chocolate Borneo spice ice cream. And then we finish it off with this beautiful port. So this is what I'm calling fine dining.